So as a director of instructional design at CourseCREEK, putting you on the spot here, what do you enjoy the most about it? I mean, is there something, what is it about our clients or anything that seems fun? I mean, you've been hanging with me for 4 years now. I'm assuming it's not just my charm,
No, no,
or,
you might be surprised. No,
or me teasing you about your cool Bono shades from time to time. But I like to think there's a little bit more to it than that.
no, it's like the reason I've done this for 20 years is because I like being able to help people, right? I mean, whatever you do, whatever profession you're in, it's not specific to instructional design. You just want to find something that you can do well, where you can add value, and then that you can help people, you know.
Yeah.
And then if you can make if if you can feed yourself and your family at the end of the day after doing that, I mean, that's a good day.
There's a
So
lot.
so for me, it's something that I found going back to kind of the earlier discussion about, how I got into this. It's something specifically the combining education and technology is a niche that I really kind of fell in love with, and I enjoy doing it, and I can make a living doing it, so I continue to do it.
Yeah. Cool.
So that intersection of kind of education and technology, especially kind of like what we're talking about today with AI and everything that's
Yeah.
happening, it's constantly changing. Technology is.
Yep.
So the past 20 years, it's very different, than it was 20 years ago. So
No doubt.
it keeps you on your toes. It's always interesting, and that's why I do it.